Check this out. I think that Nolan Wells actually died mentally before he even got on the boat, before he died physically. And let me explain what I mean by this. As a strong black man, you will never assimilate yourself to be the only black person amongst an all-white group. Doesn't happen. And if you do find yourself in that scenario, it's deliberate. And what you had to give up in order to be the token person amongst an all-white group is yourself. And it's at that point that you died. Because no strong black man who is strong mentally in his mind has an all-white friend group, because you quite literally don't have the same core values in common, and we don't trust you. And the sad thing about this situation is that there are hundreds of thousands of other token black people who are amongst all-white friend groups. And oftentimes they actually feel privileged to be a part of that group. And part of the initiation ceremony to be a token black person amongst an all-white friend group is that you do not bring any black issues to the group to make the group feel guilty. You don't do that. So this Nolan Wells situation that's happened with him dying, RIP, is not being spoken about by actual people in those scenarios. We are talking about this amongst the black community, but the actual token people in their scenarios who can relate to this are not talking about this. They're talking about what concert they're going to next, when they're meeting up for brunch, what movie they last watched, but they are not talking about this. That's why these situations, unfortunately, will happen again and again, because token black people don't even like other black people like that. So it's very difficult for them to listen to black people when they say you're not safe. They actually think you're hating. And it's even harder to get through to somebody if they have a white girlfriend as well. So my point is, sometimes as a black person, you can mentally die before you die physically. Think about it.